So, today we're going to be making a paper popper. Now, what these are is where you throw something down that looks like this. Wait, I'll show you. Ready? Wait, sorry. Wait. That was the noise it makes. So we're going to be making one of these today. So what you need first is a piece of paper, plain piece of paper. You can have it coloured if you want. I don't. It's your choice. Oh, sorry. I do not. Anyway, why would I mind? I wouldn't mind. So first, you're going to fold your paper in half. Try to make it as good as you can. So really good fold. And folding it down. Okay. Now what you want to do next, so should have it like that. It should. Now you're gonna have to open it up. And you know when you're making an aeroplane, where you start by pushing it down like that, you're going to want to do that, but at both ends, alright? So think you're making an aeroplane, and do the first part once you've folded the triangles and you put the triangles down, but do it at both ends. Doesn't matter which order you do it in. It's just that you have to do this. Okay, so yeah. So it should look like this. Should be flaps like that. Should look like that. Now next, I can remember right. Yeah, I can. You're gonna wanna fold it like this. So like that to like this. Alright, so it should look like that. Alright, so once you've done that, you're going to want to push it down. Okay, now you're going to want to fold it whichever way you want. I'm going to fold it this way. Fold it down like that, so it looks like that. Now, it should be like that. And now what you're going to do is open it up. And then, what you're going to do, once you've done that, see these parts? You're going to fold them up like this so that it looks just like this. So, like that. Should be like that. Now do the other one as well. And once you've done that, it should look this way on this way and this way on this way. Now what you want to do is fold it so what you want to have it is like that. And what you're going to do is once you have it like that, you're going to fold it like that. So look, it's like that on that side, so that's down, and then you fold it like that. Now once you've done that, you're done, and now you can play with your paper popper. So what you want to do is make sure it's done like that, and you want to hold it at this part. No, you don't hold it at this part, sorry. You need to make sure when you're throwing it, you throw it down, and that point has to be that way. You can't have it like that. Can't have it like that, otherwise it won't work. It will only work if you do it like, wait, I'll show you. Okay. Now, oh, whoops. Okay, so now you're gonna throw it like as if you're throwing you hold it like a dart, but you throw it like a ball. Wait, alright, sorry, wait. Alright. Sorry. Now it's better in a bathroom. You have to throw it really hard. And I've made a really big one, and it probably sounds better. It's like this. The best thing to do it is out of exercise paper, but I don't have any. So I used this. It's very loud. Okay, you can hear that. So yeah, I think my favourite one is probably the one with this sheet of paper on. And the way you reload it is you push it down and you fold it back up. But after a while, once you've like used it about 10 times, then it might start to break. So just make a new one. One last word to say. Bye!